Next problem. In a bolt factory, machines A, B, C manufacture 20%, 30% and 50% of the total of their output, and 6%, 3%, 2% are defective. A bolt is drawn at random and found to be defective. Find the probabilities that it is manufactured from machine A. So first, let us look into the problem. What is given in the data? A bolt factory machines, let us assume that machine A, machine B and machine C manufacture. From machine A, the manufactured bolts are 20%. That means given probability of the machine A is 20%, that is 20 by 100. Similarly, probability of the machine B is 30 by 100 and probability of machine C is 50 by 100. Now, out of these 20% bolts manufactured by the machine A, 6% are defective. Similarly, from the machine B, out of 30% of the bolts, 3% are defective. From machine C, out of 50% bolts, 2% of the bolts are defective. That means, which is nothing but the conditional probability of the defective item, defective bolt manufactured by the machine A is 6%. That is defective. Out of 20%, 6% are defective. So it is 6 by 100. Similarly, probability of the defective bolt manufactured by the machine B is 3%. That is 3 by 100. Next one is probability of the defective bolt manufactured by the C machine is 2 by 100. This is the given set of data. Now, what we need to find out? A bolt is drawn at random and found to be defective. That means already occurred event is a bolt is drawn at random from the lot, and by observation it is found to be defective. So, the already occurred event is a defective bolt is occurred. But what we need to find out? Find the probability that bolt is manufactured from machine A. So we need to find out the probability of machine A provided given that bolt is defective. Already occurred event is a bolt is drawn at random and it is found to be defective. That means a defective bolt is identified, and we need to find out the probability of the defective bolt is from machine A. That is, we need to find out, that is probability of A given D. So we can easily find out using the Bayes theorem. Let us assume Bayes theorem. We can represent Bayes theorem as, let us consider it as a sample space S which is filled with the events. Let it be the event E1, event E2, event E3 and event E4. The first rule for the Bayes theorem is a sample space must be filled with the events, all disjoint events. Here E1, E2, E3, E4, all disjoint events. That is the rule 1. And coming to the second rule, these disjoint events must be the subset of an arbitrary event. Let that arbitrary event be A. So, a sample space can contain n number of events, E1, E2 up to so on En. All must be disjoint events, and the arbitrary event A must be the subset of all the events. That is the rule 2. Now coming to our problem, here the sample space is filled with only 3 events. The first one is machine A, second one is machine B and third one is machine C. These are the 3 events. So by observing that these 3 events are disjoint events, so rule 1 is satisfied. Now coming to the second rule, these 3 events are subset of the, it is D. These 3 events are subset of the D. That is, D means it is defective. So in machine A there are some defective bolts, in machine B there are some defective bolts, and from machine C also there are some defective bolts. So here E1, E2, E3, these 3 are disjoint events. The rule 1 is satisfied. And coming to the second rule, the arbitrary event is a subset of all the sample space events. So rule 2 is also satisfied. Now we are going to use the Bayes theorem. What is Bayes theorem? Probability of En by A. That means we are going to find out the probability of the nth event provided A. That is probability of A given En into probability of En by summation I equal to 1 to n probability of A given En into probability of En. This denominator is nothing but the total probability. Coming to our problem, here there are only 3 events. Coming to probability of A given D, this can be written as, according to the Bayes theorem, probability of D given A into probability of A by total probability. There are defective items in machine A, B and C. So this can be written as probability of D by A into probability of A plus probability of D given B into probability of B plus probability of D given C into probability of C. Now 6 by 100, probability of A is nothing but 20 by 100 by 6 by 100 into 20 by 100 plus 30 by 100 into 3 by 100 plus 50 by 100 into 2 by 100. The final answer is 0.38. So that manufactured bolt which is drawn at random, the defective bolt which is drawn at random, is the probability is 0.38. It is drawn from the machine A, the probability of that bolt is 0. The probability of the defective bolt which is drawn at random from the machine A is 0.38. And this denominator can be written as total probability. We already know total probability, that is probability of defective item equal to probability of D intersection A